chills that I feel on our first date. You can be the hero and I can be your sidekick. You can be the tear that I cry if we ever split. You can be the rain from the cloud when it's storming, or you can be the sun.
Miguel, happy birthday. God bless sa iyong studies and God bless sa inyo dito. Okay, yun na. Happy birthday. Sana maging maganda yung birthday mo. Tapos good luck sa love life, family, friends, studies mo. God bless. Ingat. Absent.
Hi Mix, happy birthday. Okay na tayo. Today kung di ka lang kaklase ko yung girlfriend mo wish you all the best.
Hi Mix, happy birthday, happy birthday. Good luck sa inyo ng girlfriend si May. Parang dati na papa. Sige, yun lang, happy birthday.
Okay.
Hi Mix, gusta. Happy birthday Karoon tao sa akin, hindi na agad. Pati na tayo.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi Miguel, happy birthday in behalf of IK Student Council, happy birthday and good luck sa mga future na gagawin nito and future life. Have a great day.
Happy birthday Miguel!
Okay na? Hi Mix, happy birthday! 19 ka na, dalaga na. Hindi, 19 ka na, soon after 2 years or 3 years, mag-graduate ka na ng college. Kaya ayusin mo ng buhay mo. Tama na yung pagtambay sa labas, paglaro. Maging focus ka na sa studies and stuff. Look always to your goal, aral ka ng mabuti. And don't forget your friends na nandiyan lagi para sa'yo. And yung girlfriend mo ngayon, napaka-sweet. Dahil siya yung gumagawa nito. Siya yung may idea na itong video na ito. Good thing nandito ako sa school. Take care bro, God bless.
Hi Miss, happy birthday. Nagahan mo yung girlfriend mo, napakabait mo. Napaka-sweet pa. More birthdays to come.
Tol, happy birthday. Wish ko lang sana marami pang birthday yung dumating sa buhay mo. Tsaka yung handa natin, pwedeng pahingi. Okay na yun. Hintayin mo yung handa mo mamaya. Okay na.
Hi Miguel, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Tsaka mag-aral ka mabuti para matuwa yung ate mo sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Hi baby, happy birthday. 19 ka na. 19 years with your family, 19 years with friends, and I'm so very lucky na naging part ako nung 19 years na yun. Alam mo naman na love kita, diba? Huwag kang magbabago ha, stay sweet and humble. 98 years mo pa ako makakasama sa birthday mo. I love you!
Boy, I think about it every night and day. I'm addicted, wanna jump inside your love. I wouldn't wanna have it any other way. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough.
I just can't get enough. I just can't.